Hi everyone, it's me again, Mark. One of the tutorials I want to do today is show you and explain perspectives. The first most common perspective I think is 2-point and also 1-point perspective, and 3-point perspective and more. I'll do in a later tutorial. Mostly not really used that much. I'd say, you can have as many vanishing points as possible. So we're going to start by first drawing the horizon and creating a vanishing point here and a vanishing point here. So these vanishing points, everything meets up with these. So the horizon you can set it anywhere on the page. I usually, now for this purpose of showing you, I put it in the middle of the page, which gives me more space to work with. On larger pieces of paper, this is just an A4. You can have your vanishing points further away out of the page. That just means that the image or the object that you're drawing is flatter or further away. Yeah. The higher the horizon is, the higher the point of view is. So if you're flying in an airplane, your horizon is very high. Yeah. Obviously, the moment you go into the stratosphere, then and start leaving, let's say, orbit, which none of us will do, or most of us will never see. Here we have the two vanishing points. So everything meets up with them. So you can start drawing a few lines out from there. Now, drawing straight lines is also a tutorial. I'll show you as well how to do that. So you always start at the vanishing point and you pull it out. Try to keep it. Nothing is ever wrong, guys, so please don't feel discouraged when your lines aren't as straight as mine. I have been doing this a while. Yeah. So again, then we do the same on the other side. Just pull out the lines from there, whichever way you're as far as you want to go. You can even go all the way down. Remember as well with drawing and you're practicing, go buy yourself a little sketchbook like this. Not really expensive. You don't have to use the most expensive paper in the beginning. The pencil I'm using is this 2H for drawing. Basic construction lines, or lines that will eventually then become darker and darker as you go over it. So it's a very hard pencil. Always make sure your tip is very sharp, and through that you're going to get those crisp lines. As you can see, I've drawn a few lines. Now we need to see what where we meet somewhere, like here or here, where lines meet each other. So we're going to take that point, we're going to pull it up, just a straight line up. So these lines, the ones that go straight up are always straight. So if you do a 3-point perspective, you would put a vanishing point here at the top or at the bottom, doesn't matter, and you do the same thing that I did here, drawing the lines down, which gives you a fisheye lens type effect on your drawing. So yeah, you can see I've drawn a few lines going straight down. You can do the same on this side. So we've chosen this point here. So this is the corner then of our, let's say, building. We can draw this line a little bit darker. This line as well. We see as well, we've taken this line here. So we make this a bit darker. Do the same thing on this side. And as you can see, we already have this street corner with buildings here on the side here. And yeah, that is basic two-dimensional, three-dimensional two vanishing points. These are your VPs, VP, vanishing point 1, vanishing point 2. Like I said, you can have multiple vanishing points. You can have 100 vanishing points on a drawing. It just gets very complex then as you're seeking the correct lines and wanting to pick up on the correct lines. Yeah, so this is the first of hope many tutorials to come, and showing you just basics on it. So yeah, then we have the pavement here. So again, we can take another point here. This is then your pavement here, and where the street starts, and you can then take those again, those vanishing points, bring them in. Same thing on this side. Yeah. So here is your just lightly shaded here, basically. So always, when you're doing these type of perspectives, also try to shade in the same direction as the vanishing point, as you can see, which gives it a bit of weight. Always drawings that are darker at the bottom. These type of drawings now I'm talking about. Giving it a base, making this area darker here, letting it sit on a base here. Yeah, here you'll see then, obviously as you go further and further down, then your paving stones or your curb stones become smaller, as you can see. I even did that here as well. See here, they get smaller and smaller. Yeah. So obviously I haven't worked this out, the distances from here to here. Not really important for this exercise. This is just an exercise to show you the 2-point vanishing point. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to more content. We'll obviously be drawing real houses much later. Basic houses, we'll cover that in other tutorials. But yeah, hope you like this tutorial on 2-point vanishing points. Thank you for watching. See you soon.